So this is the machine. This is one of my favorite funnels right here. This is our 4-step funnel. You've got your landing page. You've got your value video or VSL page. You've got an order page here, and then you've got your success page or thank you page or receipt page or whatever. You're driving traffic from social media out here, either paying for it or you're doing, content marketing. Most of you are going to be content marketing, and we're driving them here. And the reason they're coming over here is because we got them to stop scrolling because we said something that hooked them, got their attention. And then we shared, some education or tidbits with them or whatever. And we said, hey, if you'd like to get some more help, I've got a free, whatever you want to call it, lead magnet. Okay. So usually I like to do like a video training or a mini course or micro course, or I'll do a workshop, or I like to use video. So I drive them over here and I typically, show them something where it's like this one, how to earn $1,000 per day creating and selling niche focused e-learning programs. Okay. Because my big thing is I teach people how to make money online every single day selling their advice. Okay. So this would be a lead magnet of mine. And then they opt in here. And here I teach them what I promised them on this page. And then at the end, I make an offer where they can either get on a call with me, or if they're ready, they can come over and just buy it. This is the order page. They can join Build Lab or whatever I'm selling. And then this would be the receipt page if they bought, or if they scheduled a call, they would go to a page that just basically said, hey, your call's scheduled, we'll get on it. So I always say that the process is that we're attracting, then we're converting those people, and then we're delivering on our promise. And the conversion has a couple layers to it. It's got a free, that's conversion number one, getting a lead. Conversion number two is when they go from a lead and they convert into a buyer. Okay. So we've got the email follow-up sequence down here. That's what this is email follow-up. And then this is your traffic. So we've got traffic. Okay. We got convert and deliver. So this is the traffic over here. And then when they cross this page, they become a lead. They opt in with their name and email. They go into the email list, and then emails start going out. And then the emails, then the automation goes, wait for a little bit. And then it asks the question, did they buy? Yes or no. If they did not buy, they get another email. And we're just continuing to do that every day. Every day they get an email. So this is my favorite funnel. This is the machine, I call it, the automated inbound machine, because it's automated. The whole thing's automated. It's inbound. People are coming to you. You're not chasing them. Automated inbound. And then it's a, lead and sales generation machine. And this is a machine. There's parts and pieces to it. That is what we're going to go through here. Okay. I'm going to take you through each step of this. Okay. Now, the problem, we've got to figure out what problem are we going to solve. So this is where we go out to social media out here and we find the problem that we're going to solve. I'll give you I've shared in other how to do this, but we can go look real quick how you can go about this. Okay. So what I like to do is I go, out here to YouTube. That's my favorite place to go searching. But you just want to essentially pretend that you're the person that you're trying to help. You're the person that has the problem and you're trying to figure out. So how to hit my drive. Okay, look at all these. How to hit my drive straight in golf. How to hit my driver further, better, consistently, higher, lower. These are all things people have actually typed in. So this is something I could do maybe a lead magnet over, right? And then I could sell them my golf training program or whatever. Okay. So that would be how I would generate a lead. Is I'm finding out that, look, this is a serious question that people have. How to hit my driver straight every time. So let's click on that one. And immediately what I'm looking for is this little thing right here, sponsored. So these people, they are they're spending money for this ad to show up right here. And so what I'm looking for when I look at this, again, I'm trying to identify a problem within my expertise, within my coaching consulting ability, okay? I'm trying to find what are people using as bait to get sales or to get leads, okay? So hate slicing, that's like the hook. Try this driver endorsed by credible person, former coach. So Tiger Woods, former coach. And it says fixed slice, fixed driver, where every feature is designed to do one thing, fix your slice, okay? Oh, first slice, fixed driver. All right. So this is giving me an idea. I'm like, okay, if they're using this as a pull in for, to run an ad against, if I created a landing page that was like this, I'm sure that it would get some action. And then I look at things like this. I'm like, if this has 135,000 views in 5 months for this headline, and it's got this kind of like wording on it, I'm looking for the patterns, right? Look, hit driver straight, okay, straight every time. They said slicing, okay, we can go down on the page some more here. Hit driver straight every time. Look, hit driver straight. This is the language being used. This is the things that people are saying, and you're looking for the patterns of what people keep saying. So I want to make sure that these are on the page. How to hit a driver straight every time. This has 2.8 million views. What we're doing here is we went out here to the social media world, and what we're doing is we're trying to find patterns. This is what we're trying to do out here. If we can find these patterns of what people are saying, we can go to YouTube, we can go to Amazon reviews, we can go to ChatGPT 4 and ask it. But what is everybody saying in this category that you're in? Because remember, you're helping people go from over here in their current situation to their desired situation. All right. You're going to help them get across these steps. And like I said, to generate leads, you're going to help them. If they're trying to get over there, but they're hitting this wall right here, you're going to give them a little bit so if you teach people how to play golf, maybe you just show them the first 3 steps, maybe how to hit a drive, hit a chip or something, and then you can teach them the rest when they buy the course.